And she is also wearing something from Egypt. Beautiful. We have Gaya Malaya, who is a placement student, and she's wearing an outfit from China. We have Lubna Mansouri, who is a settlement counselor, and she's wearing something from Morocco. I'm going to invite all of the ladies to come on out to show us their outfits one more time. Ladies, will you please? Staff and volunteers of IWSO who made this evening possible and who provide an exceptional quality service to the women in this community. So please give them another round of applause.